Production by several stages is used when we are going to create a product which requires manufacturing of another product at first, which in its turn may need creation of another one. For example, let's produce khachapuri again, but let's include production of dough in this process, especially if we're gonna sell dough as a separate product, so we need to determine its prime cost. I've already created design for this type of manufacturing. As you can see, I have dough as a product and its ingredient yeast and flour with corresponding quantities, and another product is imeruli khachapuri, which along with the other materials contains dough with its corresponding quantity. Let's execute manufacturing. But before we add new execution, let's move to the parameters and make sure that this box create a new execution order automatically is checked, in order that each of those production process which we're gonna add will be executed separately. Now we can add new execution from the design. Let's produce dough. At first, let's say 10 kilogram, and execute manufacturing of this product. Then let's produce khachapuri. Number of this product, let's be 2. We can produce more item of this product. Because 10 kilogram dough is already made and we can use all of this product, we can also sell part of it. Now let's select these records and execute manufacturing of this product. And let's look at the entries of each of these executions. First, let's look at production of dough. As you can see, amount of money spent on ingredients of dough, yeast, and flour was reflected on amount of money work in process inventory, and then it was included in the prime cost of 10 kilogram dough. But in case of this product, along with other ingredients, dough was used as a material, so prime cost from work in process inventory was included in the price of the finished products. And one more detail we should pay attention to is a production time of the primary product, dough in our case, which is used as a material in manufacturing process of another product, should be produced before manufacturing of this product. For example, let's cancel these executions. And let's put production time of dough forward, let's say by 12 o'clock, but leave production time of this product unchanged. And now let's execute production of dough. But if we will try to execute manufacturing of this product, we won't be able to do that. This message is giving a warning that negative stock is detected. Specifically, there is a negative balance of dough, so we should pay attention to the time when each of these manufacturing will be executed.